Have you ever listened to an energetic Latin music track and wondered what creates that incredibly crisp, cutting sound that drives the rhythm forward? That distinctive, sharp, and highly percussive effect you hear from timbales, known as the rimshot, is produced by striking the drum's metal rim and the drumhead at the exact same moment with a drumstick. The secret to this powerful sound lies in the interplay between the hard surfaces and precise technique. When a timbalero strikes both the metal rim, also known as the aro or pila in Spanish, and the parche or drumhead, the simultaneous impact creates a unique sonic signature. The metal rim contributes a bright, high-pitched click, while the drumhead, often tuned to a higher tension, adds a quick, resonant pop. The specific type of drumstick used, usually a thinner, harder stick, also plays a crucial role in amplifying that metallic snap. The angle and force of the strike are key. A skilled timbalero aims for a sweet spot where the stick contacts both surfaces effectively, maximizing the contrast and clarity of the sound. This synchronized strike causes the drumhead to vibrate briefly against the rim, resulting in that iconic, sharp attack. To truly appreciate the timbale rimshot, listen for its sharp, penetrating quality that cuts through the ensemble. It is not just a sound, but a rhythmic punctuation mark, often marking downbeats or critical accents in a phrase. It provides a bright, almost whip-like crack that adds an undeniable zest to the overall groove. Timbaleros often use the rimshot in quick succession or in combination with other techniques, like playing on the cascara, which is tapping patterns on the side of the drum's metal shell. This gives the instrument incredible dynamic range and rhythmic versatility, allowing the timbales to provide both driving rhythms and intricate accents. Understanding the mechanics of the rimshot reveals how a simple strike can create such a pivotal sound in Latin music. It is this precise combination of instrument design, material, and player skill that gives timbales their unmistakable voice, elevating the energy and excitement of every performance.